The band staff includes Colleen Mayo, Jim Richley, Bobby Noel, Colleen Sieg, and Chris Hauser and John Medvick. The band is led on the field by drum majors Johnny Morris, Nick Pesker, and Jared Medvick. This year's show is entitled Uniquely American. This country was founded on values of equality, liberty, and democracy. American music is as unique as its people, and tonight's show features songs for all to enjoy. We open our show with the song originally released in 1970 by the Guess Who and covered in 1999 by Lenny Kravitz. Senior Johnny Morris leads the band in American Woman. Americans who have made an impact throughout history have not always been stereotypically all-American. In fact, some people who have made the most impact have been most controversial in their time. The band will now rock out to the Hinder tune released in 2010, featuring the color guard. Junior Jared Medvick leads the band in All-American Nightmare. Captain America exemplifies the virtues that this country was founded on and that we should still look up to today. Courage, humility, sacrifice, and perseverance are values that we should all seek after. The band closes its uniquely American show with a tribute to the first Avenger. Senior Nick Pesker leads the band in Captain America March. the sound of Struthers, the Struthers Wildcat Marching Band. The sound of Struthers has a long tradition of excellence and has been selected to perform in the 2020 National Memorial Day Parade in Washington, D.C. We are thrilled for this opportunity to represent Struthers and the Mahoning Valley in Washington.